Now, this illustration deals with lighting outlets in the attic. And the notes basically states for commercial and industrial locations, C210.70C. Now, the point of entry for the into the attic is the 210.70C section. But notice we have the wall switch right there by the scuttle hole or the stairwell. And we have the access by 210.70C. And the compliance rule is 320.23A and B, scuttle hole or a stairwell. For example, if it's a scuttle hole within 6 foot of the opening, the wiring methods, such as Romex, say, non-metallic sheath cable, has to be protected. If it's on the top of the ceiling joist, members, then it would be guarded with strips. If it's routed on the face or through the members, then that is considered protected. But it has to have a 6 foot protective zone if it's a scuttle hole. And then the stairwell, deals with a 7 foot area that if you're up above 7 foot, no protection required. But be careful reading and interpreting where the wiring methods have to be protected. Do all wiring methods have to be protected in accordance with it being classified as scuttle hole or a pull down stairwell? Check with the authority having jurisdiction. See what the state, county, or city rule of the inspection department is requiring. Now, you can see we may have a switch by the entry into the attic with a light, and then you may have a pull chain over there for the equipment in the area where you remove the cover, gain the access into the equipment after you disconnect it and check for absence of voltage and that kind of thing, in accordance with NFPA 70B and 70E that regulates that. So, but what this is saying, you can have a pull chain. It just has to be where, when you pull the chain, that the light illuminates the area and that you don't worry about breakage and things like that. For example, most inspectors will not allow a pull chain routed, say, 5, 7, or 8, 10 feet, and then pull it. They're afraid of it breaking. They want a wall switch right there. But when you get around equipment, storage areas like that, and you have lighting over to it, then you could have a pull chain there to illuminate the area more. So this figure 11-15 deals with lighting outlets in the attic in accordance with 210.70C, based upon nothing in the attic, or storages in the attic, or equipment located in the attic. Then locations of switches and the protection of the wiring methods, be sure you check with the authority having jurisdiction and see what the local codes are requiring.